Hello everyone, today we will be talking about binary to octal conversions. Each binary number can be represented into its equivalent octal number according to the table given below. Now see from the table, an octal number is represented using a 3-bit binary equivalent. It is 3-bit binary equivalent because we know that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, where 8 is the base of the octal number, and so it is 2 to the power 3 power of 3. That's why we have to use 3 bits for the binary number. Let us see how to convert a binary number to its equivalent octal. See the example given below. The binary number given is as 100111010. So to convert it into its equivalent octal, we have to first divide the binary number into groups of 3. We have to start making the group from the last digit. So see in the example there, 010, that is the first group, 111, that is the second group, and 100, that is the third group. Now from the table given in the previous page, we can see that the binary number 010 is equivalent to 2 in octal. So 010 is 2. Binary number 111 is equivalent to 7 in octal, and 100 binary is equivalent to 4 in octal. So the octal equivalent of the number given is 472. So when we write the answer, we will start from the first digits, that is 472. But when we are forming the group, we have to form from the last digit. Let's see at the next example. Here we have a fractional binary number. The binary number is 10111.01. So we have to convert it into its octal equivalent. Now, as I told you before, we have to group the binary number into groups of 3. And we have to make the grouping starting from the last digit. Now here we have a decimal point. So we have to make the group here. Before the decimal point, we will start grouping from the last digit. And after the decimal point, we have to start making the group from the first digit. So as for the example, you see here, the first grouping is coming to 111, that is before the decimal point, 111. The second group, we are left with only 10. So, but as I told you, we have to make groupings of 3 digits because it's a 3-bit binary number. So, if the number of digit is missing, if it is not coming up to 3, we have to add extra zeros to the beginning of the number. Okay, in the front we have to add 0 because in front if we add 0, that 0 doesn't have any value. Just to make it a 3-bit binary number, we have to add 0 in the beginning. So it's coming to 010. Now see, after the decimal point, the number is 01. The actual number is 01. But as again, we have to make bits of 3. So I will add 10 at the end. Because after the decimal point, if we add a 0 at the end, it doesn't make a difference. It doesn't mean anything. So it will be 010, just to make it a group of 3. So if we are not getting, the rule is that if we are not getting a group of 3 digits, we can add 0, 1 or 20, as many as needed in the beginning of the number if it is before the decimal point, and at the end of the number if it is after the decimal point. So after making the group, we get as the first group before the decimal point will be 111, which is equivalent to 7 from the table again. Second group is 010 before the decimal point, which is equivalent to 2 from the table again. After the decimal point, you see we have 010 again, which is equivalent to 2 from the table. So the octal equivalent is coming to be 27.2. Hope the topic of discussion was clear to you. Thank you.